Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell para ma-inform kayo pag mayroon akong mga bagong videos. Okay? So, yeah, we are a family of atopics. Ibig sabihin, meron talaga kami mga asthma, skin asthma, allergic rhinitis, ganyan. Allergic rhinitis is something that's new to me. I mean, I started having attacks mga couple of years, mga 2 or 3 years ago. Parang paminsan-minsan lang siya. Sometimes I will wake up in the morning, tapos parang biglang makangati yung ilong ko, tapos parang ang hirap huminga, barado yung ilong, tulo na tulo yung sipon. But I know that it's allergic rhinitis dahil usually, mawawala rin siya after a few hours. Tapos, parang wala nangyari. Ganun. But lately, the attacks have been more frequent. And this morning, I just had the worst one. Parang pagising ko nung umaga, I was okay. Tapos bigla na lang siyang nag-trigger. And then, sa sobrang hindi ako makahinga, sobrang tulo ng tulo yung luha ko, pati yung sipon ko. And even yung lining or inside ng mouth ko, parang nangangati-ngati. So parang, sabi ko, maybe it's time that I do something about it. I mean, nandiyan na yung paglilinis, etc. Ayun. And before pala, I tried this humidifiers. Those little glowy things na umuusap. But wala siyang effect. Feeling ko, meron talagang something in the air that's causing it. So, ito na guys. This is the Air Purifier 2S. So, usually, iba't ibang model siya. Yung iba may OLED or may screen. Yung iba mas... Pero basically, it's boiled down to 2 choices eh. Itong size na to and something which is bigger. Yung bigger naman, usually sa mga malalaking places lang siya. Sa mga condo area like this daw. Okay na itong maliit. So, let's see what's inside. Tingnan natin and subukan natin yung box. So, ayun guys, let's examine the box. Sorry, I'm using my Osmo Pocket right now. So, titry ko kasi yun lang yung gamit for this unboxing and find out if it's okay for that purpose. So, again, this is the purifier. It comes in this brown box. Parang industrial talaga yung dating. Tapos, nasa labas, may label. Nakalagay, Air Purifier 2S. Color white and some other specifications. But let's get to it. And guys, ang suggestion ko, if you're interested to take this, ay tumawag muna kayo sa mga branches nila kasi I was planning to go to Mega Mall pero tumawag ako, sinabi agad na walang stock. So buti na lang, when I called Gateway Mall, ayun, so agad akong pumunta doon. So pagbukas natin, what's inside is user manual, which nobody reads. So, ayan na siya guys. Let's try to pull it out. Okay. Try muna natin siyang itayo. It's hard. Wait lang guys, patayin ko muna yung camera. So, this is it guys. Sa taas, makikita natin na may fan. Dito lalabas yung air. And it's going to suction, the dirty air. Dito, sa grills niya all around it. And then sa front, there is an OLED display with a cover. Tanggalin natin ng plastic. And then there's a power button here. And there's a sensor actually which dito mag-rely kung mag-brighten or mag-darken yung OLED screen. Depende sa lighting condition. And at the back, it says keep laser particle sensor. Kasi meron siyang supposedly malalaman niya kung gaano kadumi yung air. Mamaya try natin. And here is parang on and off yung switch sa likod. Sabi nila if you press here at saka ito together, ma-reset yung unit including the Wi-Fi connection. So this is ayan. And then we open the back. Pakita natin, this is the filter. The filter daw usually lasts for around 6 months. It costs around mga 1,200 to 1,500. Pero sabi naman nila, depende pa rin sa use. It will tell you when to replace daw. And inside is just this. The power cable. So yan, I've plugged it in. There was a large or there was a loud beeping sound nung una ko siya sinaksak, and then lumabas yung Mi logo here, and then it went away. Now I'm gonna turn it on for the first time. Ayan, and ayan, nakita nyo nagsa-start na siyang mandar. And then naka-indicate dito yung 100% filter remaining kanina. Tapos supposedly this number is the measure of the particulate matter in the air. Hindi ko pa masyado na-aaral yan, but ayan, meron din siyang temperature and percentage humidity. So I think anything below 30 is okay, pero tingnan na rin natin, and I'll try to give you a feedback also kung mag-improve ba yung condition ng allergic rhinitis ko. O nga pala guys, you have to connect this with an app na I will still try to download. So when I press the button, it changes into its modes. Ayan yung, I think A means automatic, and then ito yung night mode kasi it will go on silent, and parang heart, or I guess it's healthy mode, and you can observe na biglang lumakas yung fan. So, ayun guys, I managed to connect the device. So, ito, full control tayo dito. Ito yung parang kanina. Oh, ang galing. Night mode. And ito yung manual. So, lagyan na natin siya sa auto. And yun, nakita nyo, humihina na siya. Good job! Ang galing. That's it guys. This is the Mi Air Purifier 2S. Ayan. And based on the reviews that I've seen, okay naman yung review sa kanya. And yes, I will try to give a feedback later on if worth ba siyang bilhin. So again guys, this is Doc Neo saying be informed, stay inspired, and I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye-bye!